Environmental issues impacting building design. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the utilization of natural daylight and other environmental issues driving innovative building design. As architects, when you're designing projects, there are many drivers, environmental drivers that are going to have an impact on the systems that you select for your specific project. When you think about temperature, hot, cold, this is going to have an impact on what system you select. Looking about high velocity wind zones, are you in a tornado area, a hurricane prone area? That's going to have an impact on the systems you select. Seismic also, are you near an area that's more prone for earthquakes? Moisture, hot or wet, cold environments, these all have an impact and drive the systems you're looking at. So regardless of what other environmental impacts are driving systems, one thing that all projects deal with is sunlight, daylight. All this is going to be a driver and have an impact on every project. So architects going into a new project need to have a strategy for not only environmental issues such as cold, heat, seismic, high velocity wind zones, but sunlight needs to be something that you think about on all projects. So regardless of whether it's rainy, there's storms, regardless of what other conditions are, every day the sun rises, so it's constantly going to be there. So going into a project with a good strategy for how to maximize the benefits of daylight and minimize the negatives of it is very, very critical. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.